how to meditate. Well, I'm going to explain to you how I learned to meditate and how I started. The most simplest and easiest way to start meditating. First, I want to say we use the word meditate incorrectly. We might say, hey yo, I need to go meditate. But really what we should say is, I'm going to go practice stillness. Because to truly meditate is to slide into a state of no thoughts, which is totally blissful and totally peaceful. But to attain that state is not very easy for someone who has not been practicing for a long time. So what we're really doing is creating a situation, a condition, an atmosphere, an environment that allows us to slide into that state of no thoughts, of pure bliss, pure ecstasy. So how do we do that? Well, there's two components. Number one, stillness. And number two, rhythmic breathing, complete breathing. So number one, stillness is very easy to understand. All we're going to do is practicing being perfectly still for a certain amount of minutes. In the beginner stages, we can start with 5 minutes. As that becomes easy, we can move on to 10 minutes. When that becomes comfortable, we can move into 15 minutes. Stillness is very simple. Sit perfectly still. Do not move. If you feel an itch, do not scratch. Close your eyes. Do not open them. Keep your head, neck, and back in a straight line. Sit upright. As a beginner, I would sit with my back against a wall or a door to make sure my back is straight and everything is in perfect alignment. Only thing that is moving is your breathing. Do not move your fingers. Do not move your head. Do not move anything. Practice perfect stillness. That's number one. Number two, rhythmic breathing, complete breathing. To breathe completely, we want to fill up the abdomen first, midsection, chest, upper chest, right? So let me show you how it goes. Again, I'll show you. Let me show you with no shirt. Now there's a rhythmic component to the breath. And that means we're going to have an even rhythm. The same amount of time we breathe in should be the same amount of time we breathe out. To establish a natural rhythm, which is even. Just feel it. Go with it. So we've gone over what stillness is, and we've gone over what rhythmic complete breathing is. When you put these together, what you get is a practice which I call soothing stillness. And that will set you up to be able to slide into a meditative state of no thoughts. But be patient with yourself, because in the beginning, you may have 1,000 thoughts going through your head. Be patient. Keep practicing. Keep creating that situation within you. Keep creating that inner environment that allows this beautiful state of meditation to unfold naturally. Now that we understand the two components clearly, let's practice it. I got my phone here. We're going to go to the timer. Set it for 5 minutes and 30 seconds. The 30 seconds is just for us to calm down and get into position. And then we're going to practice stillness and rhythmic complete breathing for 5 minutes. Let's do it together. I'm hitting start now. Boom. It's counting down 30 seconds. Placing my hands on my knees. Closing my eyes. Practicing stillness for 5 minutes. Slowly open the eyes. We have just practiced 5 minutes of soothing stillness, which will prepare us to enter a meditative state. When I first began practicing this, I did it every day, and by the 7th day, I entered a meditative state. I'm not telling you that it will happen to you on the 7th day. It may happen earlier, it may happen later, but you must be consistent and continuous in your efforts. Anything of this magnitude, such bliss and peace and harmony, is not to be expected to be attained within seconds like fast food. Set your heart on it and continue on. Be consistent. And as it becomes easier and easier, extend your time. I wish you all the best. Namaste. Much love and light. Practice, and you will experience all the amazing benefits of meditation. Light.